Hey, seriously, who is actually still lying about paint protection film? Let me bust 10 myths about paint protection film in 60 seconds. Let's go. Myth number 1. Is paint protection film only for luxury cars? Bro, no matter what car you are driving, you will still require protection. It's not about the badge, it's about being smart. Myth number 2. Ceramic coating is better? Ceramic coating is just like your skincare. Paint protection film, that's body armor. You can have both. Myth number 3. Paint protection film doesn't last long. A good film, as a good installer, your PPF can last from 5 years to 10 years with proper care. But if you go for the 𝐼𝐴𝐷 special discount from the 𝐈𝐴𝐷, good luck. Myth number 4. Just polish lah, it's way more cheaper. Some people will just ask you to send the car for polishing when you have scratches on your car pin. But in truth, polish only hides or remove minor scratches. Paint protection film prevents it. Myth number 5. Paint protection film ruins your car pin. Only if it is installed by installers who 𝐒𝐮𝐽. Ours peels off seamlessly. Myth number 6. Stone chips are normal. Yes, they are. But why suffer if you don't have to? Myth number 7. I can respray or touch up my paint after a few years. In fact, respray or touch up paints won't match perfectly as your original car paint. And it will also affect the resale value of the car. Myth number 8. All PPF are the same. In fact, TPU and TPH are different materials of PPF. Chip film will turn yellowish and cracks easily. You get what you paid for. Myth number 9. I park very carefully. No need PPF lah. Yes, you are the careful one. But the auntie that parks beside your car, she is the careless one. Myth number 10. Hey, don't waste money do PPF lah. Unless you have a friend who is a professional car detailer who can always fix your paint for free.